everybody, today I'm going to be filming my room tour, and my room isn't like super cute like everybody's is, but it's how I like it. But I hope you guys like the video. And yeah, let's just get into it. Here is just an overview of my room. This is like the door, the inner door. That's my closet. Then I have all this. Super bright over there because of the windows. And this. So first, when you walk in, my light switch, I got this from Francesca like a couple years ago, but this is just my light switch. Up here, I just have this thing that my sister made me a long time ago also. It's just like an M because my name's Melanie and she put glitter on it and this little puff ball. So I've just had that in my room for a long time. So then here I have my dresser over here. I have like a bunch of owls. I have this one. This one I like got for Christmas one year, and it has these, well, it used to have a little like a light in there and you turn it on. This one I just recently got, but this one's like super heavy. It's like made out of like glass. And that my boyfriend's mom got me for graduation. It says today is the perfect day to start living your dreams, and it's like a little owl with a graduation cap thing. This I got from Panama City when I went last year. It's made out of shells. Then I have this. I've had this forever. It's like a little angel statue. And it just says July and has my birthstone. Eating a watermelon because I love watermelon. And then I have this. I've had this for a while also. It has an owl on it. And I like spray painted the lid. And in here, I just have some change. I tried to keep my change, but there's literally just like a dime in there. And a flower. I'll show you what that goes on in a second. So on my mirror, it's kind of dirty, but up here I just have elephant things that I got from Ivriella. I just keep them up there because I like elephants also. I just keep these two Ivriella, like their cards right here. Then this my dad gave me. It says love is caring, trusting, secure, accepting, is not controlling what you do, who you see, or where you go, stopping you from seeing your friends and family, shoving, slapping, choking, hitting, intimidating, or threatening you with weapons. Then I just have a picture of my dad because we got pictures done at our church for like the book with phone numbers in it, and the lady made him take a picture by himself, so he did that, and we got them printed. Then this is a picture of me and my friend from Chuck E. Cheese a long time ago. Then I have this candle. This is Marshmallow Fireside, and it is just burning. It smells really good. Then I have this mirror. I got it from Marshall's, and it's just like plastic, and then it has this side, and it has the other side, which is like magnified. I just have some Q-tips in this little jar that I spray painted gold. This one just has my makeup brushes. This just has some like cotton pads. This has a bunch of my hair stuff, lotion, perfume. This is some of my hair stuff. I just keep it right here because I like use it in the shower and out of the shower. Then this, it has all my makeup and some more of my hair products. And I'm going to do a makeup collection, so I'm not going to get into this. But this, I don't even know where I got it. My grandpa gave it to me, and I just like it because it has like 4 small drawers and then 3 big ones. So I think it's a good storage for mine, for my makeup. So in here, this is just like my underwear and bra drawer, and then like random stuff and my belts. And then in here is my t-shirt drawer. I just have all of my t-shirts. It is super crammed. Down here, I just have some sweatshirts, like a zip up thing, stuff that I could hang up, but I don't want to. And here I have all my shorts. I have like my jean shorts and like my, I don't know what you call these, and all of like my athletic shorts are right here. And then these are like cute, like flowy shorts. That's what I call them. So I have a lot of shorts as well. Then I just have all of my long sleeve t-shirts, some short sleeve because that drawer is too full, but I just have a bunch of Ivriella, just some random shirts. Then down here, I just also have some sweatshirts. I have my work pants because I don't like hanging this stuff up either. Here's my bed. So I have 2 windows right here. I don't have curtains on them. I used to, but they were like ugly. So I took them down, and I just have the white shit or blinds, whatever they're called. And I've had like this bed set forever, since I was younger, so I do not know where it is from, but this is just from Walmart. I really like the pattern on it, and it's just black and white. And then the underside is just black, so I could just use that side if I wanted. Then I just have 2 fuzzy blankets. This one, I don't even know what it's from, but it's super fuzzy. This one is from JCPenney or Macy's, and it's just like a blue color and it is super soft. So this is my desk area. Up here I just have this bookshelf. Don't really have any books on there yet because if I did, it would probably fall because it's not really secure on the wall yet, but I'm just working on getting it secure on the wall. So don't have my books on there yet, but I just have my scarf and just my purse. It's from Steve Madden. I really like it. And then I have my desk. This is from Walmart actually. So it's a chair. I just got it recently, and I really just wanted a desk so I could do my homework and not have to do my homework in my bed. So first off, there's like these 2 things down here. Down there I just keep all my books for school, and then that is all my notebooks and my folders and my binders. And then in here I keep like my 2 journals. They're not really journals, they're just notebooks that I write like stuff in. And then this one is another one that I write some stuff in. And then this is just like a to-do list. I just like to keep mini to-do lists, so I keep that one right there. And I keep a pen in here just so if I'm sitting in bed I can reach over and grab it. A nail file just in case I need to file my nails. Some sticky notes, and this remote for my oil diffuser. And then like sometimes if I want my room to be clean and not cluttered on my desk, I just put my remote in there. And then up on here I just have my fan because it gets super hot sometimes in my room, so I need a fan. 2 waters. This is the one that I always keep in my backpack, but I was just drinking that earlier, and this is like just a water bottle that I always have to have water next to my bed. Then this is my oil diffuser. I got it for Christmas. I really like it because it's like decorative and it just looks like a cute decorative. So this, I just keep my laptop on if it's not my backpack. And then I have this cup of pens, pencils, highlighters, some clips. Then this is a picture of me and my boyfriend on prom. And like I said, this chair is just from Walmart. It is actually pretty hard to see because it's just all black, but that's just what it looks like. On to over here, and I keep my backpack down there. Keep it really in random places all the time. But then I just have my TV and another dresser. These are my socks. I have a lot of socks. These are my leggings, sweatpants, some bathing suits, and then I think cardigans and some sweaters are down there. And I just have my TV, like I said, and then I have this. This used to be like my bedside table, and it was in my brother's room. That's like why it's like painted weird. My mom painted it weird. Like it used to all be this blue color, and then she painted everything else black and not this. So I need to paint this black. But I just like having that here so I can have extra storage. So up at the top, like I'll usually just put my keys and stuff, and I have another candle that is warm or winter candy apple. It's my favorite scent. And this is just like a little fake potted succulent. And then in here I have a speaker, a stapler, this iPad case I'm trying to sell because it's an iPad mini 4, and I don't have an iPad mini 4, I just have a regular iPad. This Short Prayer for Busy Women book that my dad gave me, my essential oils. I think that one is like spilling. That's great. Some more little sticky notes and like tabs, and that's like the cleaner and directions for that. And that is it in there. I just have some more stuff. I have like this long cord to my laptop charger, and then I have some more extra pens, sticky notes, and index cards down there. So then here is my closet. On my closet door, I just keep my winter coat or my coat that I'm wearing or whatever. Then I have all of my clothes in here, and up at the top I have all those boxes for Chegg because I need to send like my books back in those boxes. Then I have all these books that I will put on my bookshelf once, or my book thing whenever it gets secure. And then I just have some bags up there that has some random stuff in it. This is my Michael Kors purse. These are all my cups. I just have to keep them all in there because I have nowhere else to put them, and there's no room in our cup thing. So then here's all my clothes. The clothes, like my winter clothes, are kind of over here. Then here's like my summer clothes, like tank tops and stuff, my shorts, or my pants, my jean skirts, and just other skirts. Got some more winter coats back there. All my shoes, I have some tennis shoes, Sperry's, just some flip-flops, Tevas, I think that's what they're called. Those booties, Sperry boots, my work shoes, more flip-flops, Ugg boots, Ugg rain boots, and some more tennis shoes. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And comment some video ideas down below because I really am running out of ideas. I don't know what to make videos about. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.